Hey everybody, Varun here from 𝗬𝗏𝗀𝗃𝗃. Guys, welcome back to another video. Last video of this series, 5 common mistakes in your listening module. What we are going to look at in this video, I'm going to tell you 5 common areas which I have shortlisted where I have seen a lot of students losing points in the listening module. I'm going to give you each and everything you need to take care of in order to get a perfect score in your listening module. Alright, let's get into the video. Very first mistake, we do not understand the marking criteria. It's very important to understand that there are 8 tasks in your listening module, but altogether there are 11 tasks which will contribute towards your listening score, out of which 6 are important, 5 are not important at all. So you need to put your effort on the 6 tasks which are important, which will give you more benefit, and you don't really need to worry too much about the remaining or rest of the 5 tasks. What you need to focus on and what contributes towards your listening module: speaking repeat sentence, speaking retail lecture, speaking answer short questions. And then 8 tasks from your listening: summarize spoken text, MCQ single answer, MCQ multiple answer, select missing word, highlight correct summary, listening fill in the blanks, highlight incorrect words, and write from dictation. Out of these, you need to focus on repeat sentence, retail lecture, summarize spoken text, listening fill in the blanks, write from dictation, and highlight incorrect words. You do not really need to focus on the remaining things. So that is one mistake, that we keep on practicing but we don't focus on what is important and what is not important. Second common mistake is we ignore the content part in repeat sentence and retail lecture. When we approach or when we practice repeat sentence and retail lecture, we think that yes, repeat sentences and retail lecture we need to do in order to get or boost our score in speaking. But you need to be well aware of this fact that if you miss out the content in repeat sentence and retail lecture, you are going to mess up your listening module. So very important, you have at least 80% content in each and every repeat sentence, and 100% content means around 15 to 20 keywords in your retail lecture as well. If you do so, 120% you are going to boost your score. So that was second mistake, ignoring content in repeat sentence and retail lecture. Third mistake, which is the key reason why a lot of students are missing out in listening and writing module: ignoring the spelling errors in your listening module. You need to make sure in your summarized spoken text, in your write from dictation and listening fill in the blanks, your spelling are 100% correct. Even if you have one spelling error, you are going to lose straight away 1 point in listening and 1 point in writing. On an average, a student makes around 4 to 5 mistakes in listening module spelling errors. Means you are straight away losing for no reason 5 points in listening and 5 points in writing. So you need to be very careful that you don't make any kind of spelling error on in your listening module. And whenever you practice, you maintain a spelling list and add all the spelling errors and common spelling mistakes, so that you don't repeat the same thing in the exam. So that was another mistake, that ignoring or a lot of students do ignore the spelling part in the listening module. Fourth part is time management. Now from 16th of November 2021, listening section is going to be even shorter, less number of questions but even less time. You need to make sure you manage your time. If you don't, you are going to miss out the last task, which is the king, which is the most important part of the test. And if you miss that, you are going to struggle big time. This is what you need to do when it comes to time management. Summarize spoken text, you need to spend complete 10 minutes. There's no rollover time. But after summarize spoken text, your overall time starts. Means over there you have to manage your time yourself. In summarize spoken text, let's say you're given 10 minutes for one summary, you spend 7 minutes, you won't get extra 3 minutes in the next question. So it's better you use complete 10 minutes. But after that, once you're done with that, you have an overall time and you have to manage your time yourself. Remember this thing, from 16th of November 2021, listening MCQ single answer, MCQ multiple answer, select missing words. After the audio, please don't spend more than 5 to 10 seconds. I know it's hard, but you have to try and figure out the answer while the audio is going on, because before the audio is done, before the audio is complete or finishes, you cannot move on to the next question. So as soon as the audio is done, spend at most, you need to make sure maximum you spend 5 to 10 seconds and you move on. Highlight correct summary, make sure you do not spend more than 20 seconds after the audio. Listening, fill in the blanks after the audio around 50 seconds to 1 minute. You need to type in your answer, you need to quickly proofread the spellings and move on. Highlight incorrect words. You don't have anything to do after your recording stops, so you don't really need to spend more than 5 seconds. Write from dictation. Very important task. You need to make sure you have around 35 to 50 seconds per write from dictation. If you follow this marking scheme and this time management scheme, you are 120% going to finish your exam on time and you are going to boost your score. And the last mistake which I see a lot of students making is practicing a lot of MCQ single answer, MCQ multiple answer, and select missing words. These three, especially along with answer short questions and highlight correct summary, are not important. And from 16th of November, you are even going to get less of these, so these are not going to have that much of a weightage. And even if you miss a few of these, you can easily get your score. So your primary focus should be on summarize spoken text, listening blanks, write from dictation, highlight incorrect words, repeat sentence, and read a lecture. You shouldn't be worried about answer short questions, your MCQ single multiple, and your highlight correct summary and select missing word. That's all you need to worry about, and you are going to boost your listening module. Make sure you speak clearly, you manage your time properly, and then focus on the content part. Do not make any spelling errors and focus on what's important, and don't waste your time on what is not going to get you the results. You have to put in your valuable efforts on something which will give you more returns, right? So that is very important. Focus on these things and 120% you are going to boost your score long way. If you think the video was helpful, please do like, share and subscribe, and share it with your friends as well. We've got a new IELTS channel running. We post a lot of content and useful tips regarding or related to IELTS exam. If you have anyone preparing for it, you can ask them to consider. The link is in the description box. To practice for free, you can go on 𝗪𝗵𝘂𝗺.com.au. Use your computer. It's a free platform and you can practice as many questions with feedback on the platform. You can take one sectional and one full scored mock test for free. Make sure you go over there and start practicing. That's it from this video. If you found the video helpful, do let me know in the comment section, and also let me know what other topics you want me to cover and what are you struggling with. Plus, make sure you do not forget to subscribe, and if you do get the score watching my videos, do let me know. That is something I work for, and that is something which will keep me going on and motivated. For more information, you can visit our website or contact us on these numbers. Varun from Language Academy. I'll see you very soon with a lot more videos and useful tips in the upcoming videos. Take care, stay safe, and make sure you do not stop practicing.
Now crack your PTE sitting at your home. Language Academy brings to you the smartest AI-powered practice portal, with instant scores and feedback for all the tasks. Along with the practice questions, access free sectional and full mock tests, and get instant scorecard with in-depth feedback and analysis. For more hidden secrets, tips, strategies, and proven templates, click the link below and subscribe to our video course today.